Alright guys, so in today's video, as you saw in my last video, that I have a bunch of parts for the SRT4 that I'm going to be installing. I do have this Dodge Neon trunk with a carbon fiber lip on it that I'm going to be taking the lip off and then sending the trunk out to go get painted stone white to match my car. Alright, so it's been a couple weeks. As you can see, I finally got a haircut, but I also got back my trunk that I got painted stone white to match the rest of my car. I've been working on my carbon fiber lip that I'm going to be installing on this trunk, so stay tuned at the end of the video because that's going to be happening. But I've been taking off all the 3M double-sided tape on the bottom half of this lip. I'm going to be replacing it with new stuff, and the top of the carbon fiber lip is faded, so I'm going to be sanding that down with 1500 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to be polishing it with Meguiar's Ultra Compound. You'll see what I'm going to be using in the video, so stay tuned. Hope you're enjoying the content. Let's get this installed. So first I'm going to start off by sanding everything down with 3M's Wetter Dry 1500 grit sandpaper. And then after that, I'm going to buff it all out with Meguiar's Mirror Glaze Ultra Compound 105. This stuff is supposed to be pretty good. I've seen a couple YouTube videos of this stuff being used and it works pretty good. Then I'm going to finish it off with Scotch's 3M 30-pound Extreme Hold Indoor-Outdoor double-sided tape. Alright, so I finally got around to 3M taping everything. I peeled off all the corners to each section of the tape and then used painter's tape, I'll show you in a second, to hold that back. So when I place everything and mark it where I want it to be, I could just, from there, just pull everything. I saw a couple videos on YouTube doing that. So here, take a look. Alright, so let's get to it. Let's finally install this thing. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. I installed my wingless trunk, my carbon fiber PVO lip, and my LED depot taillights. I have a bunch more parts going on. I have my ECR BBS wheels and some engine bay parts going on. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. A lot more coming. Take care.